Word Module 3 Claim Flyer Visual Workshop assignment. Go ahead and open up the file and we'll make a few changes. So the first thing we'll do is select all and change the font size to Calibri 12. Then we'll change certain titles. For example, the title of the text will be size 36. And again, this is being sent to me, so if you wanted to change the font color, bold, the font style, whatever you'd like, you're welcome to change anything you'd like. The subtitle will be size 16. And again, you could change the color, the type of anything you wanted. And then the side headings will be size 18. So this one, go ahead and choose 18. If you wanted to add that bottom border like we did in the last one, you can. If you want to change the color of the font, you're welcome to do that as well. Maybe put it in bold. And then to copy this 2 more times, double click your Format Paintbrush and then select More Ways. And the next one is What to Expect. And then make sure you turn your paintbrush off. The next thing we're going to do is put in in the middle, the blank space in between the 2 paragraphs at the bottom, we're going to insert a staggered process Smart Art. So click Insert, Smart Art, and you can go right to Progress if you'd like, or Process. And we're looking for the staggered. And then go ahead and choose the staggered process. And then again, you click where it says text. These are your placeholders. And then the next one. And one more. Now to add one more shape, right click and choose Add Shape and actually After. And then this one will be Case Settled. And then we're going to change the size of it because you want it to fit all on the entire document, to fit all on one page. So you need to adjust it so that it fits all on one page. There you go. And then if you want to get into colors and change different multicolors, you can. If you want to go to the Smart Art styles and choose maybe a 3D effect, you're welcome to. Just make sure that whatever you decide to choose, that it still remains on one page. Very nice. And then after Springfield Mobile, our Springfield mobile app, go after Springfield, immediately after the D, and we need to put in a trademark symbol. So click Insert and then choose Symbol. And if you go to More Symbols, Special Characters, you'll see the trademark symbol. And I think the book is using the registered trademark, so go ahead and click Insert and Close, and there you'll have it right after the mobile app. They want the telephone number to stand out, so you can put it in bold and select a color. Next, we're going to insert a symbol that is an explosion. So go ahead to Insert Shapes, and it's down at the bottom, and it's under Stars and Banners. I'm going to go with the 14-point explosion, and then just draw it for whatever direction that you want. The book used a different one, but you can use anything you like, any shape. And in order to type in it, just immediately start typing. And then if you can't see it, you may have to increase the size of it so that you can see everything that was typed. And again, if you wanted to change the fill color of it, you could. And you can make the font bold if you'd like. And then, of course, you can add in design, page color, and maybe a border. And the border, if you'd like, is most of them you can change the color. If this was faded out, you wouldn't be allowed to change the color. But if it's not shaded out, you're welcome to change the color. And again, the size, maybe not so big so it fits on the page. And then the next thing you need to do is insert a footer to put your name blank. Type your name. Now sometimes if you pick a border and the border's so large and you can't see your name, you can use the footer and adjust it so that your name is visible. So you can use the footer from bottom and adjust it so that you can see your name. And then let's do a preview, view, one page, and there you have it. So the goal is to get a very eye-catching flyer with colors and designs and graphics, pictures, smart art, the explosion, and just make sure it all fits on one page. Go ahead and save and submit. Thank you.